How to send ton from Binance to a Telegram wallet. Now first of all, open the Binance app, make sure to log into your account. Now tap on assets, select the spot, tap on withdraw. Now after that here, search for ton. So after you find it, select it. Now tap on send via crypto network. So after that, you can see you need the recipient address to get it. Go to your Telegram wallet. Now open the Telegram app first, and in the sidebar, tap on these three lines and tap on wallet. Now as you can see here, you will find the ton coin, tap on it, and now tap on receive. Now copy the address that you find it here. Now go back to your Binance app and paste the address that you copied from the Telegram wallet. Now select the network as the open network. If you have the memo, you can provide it. If you don't, it's your choice. In the amount, type how much you want to send. And after that, tap on withdraw. So because I don't have any fund on my Binance, I can't be able to do that. So for you, tap on withdraw and complete the process. So this is how to send ton from Binance to Telegram wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.